Hi, Alisa. How are you?
I'm good.
You're
How are
good?
you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Today we have a mock test, right?
Yes.
And also you have road test.
Yes.
Okay.
I do.
Okay. Today I wanna check everything on your driving, which they are looking for G2. So can I see your license?
Yes.
Okay. Name, date of birth, expired. Okay. Thank you. So this is my license.
Thank you.
Okay. So, Alisa, in G2, they are looking for the maneuvers. They are checking 3-point turn from uphill, downhill parking. One of them they are asking roadside stop or emergency stop. They are asking parallel parking or reverse parking. One of them they are asking, and also front parking. These are the things they are asking. If they ask reverse parking, they are not asking parallel parking. If they ask parallel parking, they are not asking reverse parking. Also from uphill parking and downhill parking, they are asking one of them, uphill or downhill. Today I will do also the same. Okay. So if I find a car, we are doing parallel parking. If I don't, then we are doing reverse parking. Okay. So if I don't say anything, it is all the way straight ahead. If it is traffic light, I will tell you traffic light left turn, traffic light right turn, stop sign left turn, stop sign right turn. If I don't say anything, it is all the way straight ahead. It is your responsibility to lane change. For example, if any car emergency stop, so if that lane is going only to the right, these are your responsibility. If I don't say anything, it is all the way straight ahead. So check the mirror, signal, blind spot while turning. These are the things that we practice. Okay. So at the end of the test, I will give you a result. I will take a note everything you are doing. So hopefully you pass your road test. Okay. You're excited?
Yes.
Okay. So if I don't say anything, it is all the way straight ahead. Okay. Come on. When it's safe, proceed. Take the left. Here we are going to the left again. Again, here we are turning left. So we are turning to the right. Perform the emergency stop. Okay. When it is safe, proceed. First street left turn.
You mean right?
Right turn, sorry. Let's do downhill parking. Okay. When it is safe, proceed. Let's do 3-point turn. Let's do parallel parking with that car. Yeah, you are good. When it is safe, proceed. Stop sign, left turn. So from traffic light, we are going to the right. When it is safe, lane change to the left. You're good?
Yes.
We need a safe lane change to the right.
Is it 50 here?
Yeah, it is. So traffic light, we are turning to the right. So we are going inside the plaza. So turn to the left. Park on the left side. Oh, how was the mock test?
I think I made like some mistakes, but overall,
Yeah,
we're good.
yeah. So you did a great job, okay? So I check everything while you was driving. You check regularly your left, right, rear view mirror. While doing lane change and while doing left turn 2 times or 3 times, you didn't check the this mirror, rear view mirror. You're gonna lose points on that. And also when I say lane change to the left, so you signal, you check everything, but you turn off signal early, a little bit early. So whenever you are doing lane change, once four wheel completely come to new lane, then you need to turn off your signal. That's also losing points. So you check the pedestrian, you didn't wind on the pedestrian. And also when you did front parking, in the front parking also you stop on the line, but you corrected so that's wonderful. So based on my experience, you passed this road
I
test.
passed.
Yeah,
Okay. Very good.
hopefully today also you pass. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Thank you for the test as
Yeah,
well.
thank you.
Thank you.
Passed? Really? Congratulations. Congratulations. Come on.
I didn't believe it. At first
Really?
I thought I'm gonna fail here.
So today Alisa passed G2, and if you want me to take your mock test 1 week before your road test, just give me a call to my number. Thank you so much.